Hi everybody, Miss Street here. Today we are going to be creating some nature art where we're going to be creating artwork using nature. So this is what you'll be creating. It's a cute little artwork of three birds sitting on top of each other, and you can also go so far as to use nature to make a flower or something if you'd like to. And then you're going to decorate the outside with pretty flowers or clouds or sun or whatever you'd like. Alright, let's get to it.
Go explore outside and pick up about 3 to 6 different leaves. You want 3 bigger leaves to make the body and then 2 to 3 small leaves that you can use for the wings. Try to use flat leaves because bumpy leaves are very hard to glue.
Hi guys, so today you're going to make some nature artwork, and the supplies you're going to need for this are some leaves that you've gathered outside. So you're going to need some leaves, either paint or markers, and glue, and a pencil. Okay.
You're going to pick 3 leaves that you want to be your birds. So you're going to start with the biggest leaf on the bottom, and I think I'm going to make this part be the beak. And then for my next leaf, I'm going to do this. This part his tail and this part his beak. Before you glue your leaves, you want to draw a line for the ground, making sure to leave some space to draw the bird's legs. And then you're going to hold for about 30 seconds. Next, you can take some of your smaller leaves and glue them onto the body of your bird so that it creates the bird's wing. So next you're going to draw a line right here, leaving a little bit of space between the leaf and the line. And you draw a line, and you can use marker or pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and outline it with marker.
And maybe I'll make some grass marks. But first, I'm getting ahead of myself. Once you have this line, you're going to take a black marker and draw some little feet for your bird. And you might be able to outline your wing.
Using a separate sheet of paper, cut out 3 circles, which are going to become the eyes for your birds. put a small dot of glue and glue the circle to your bird to create the eye. Once your eye is on and the glue is dry, you can go ahead and create the eyes. You can either make a small dot or you could make a little upside down U, and that will create your bird's eyes. Next, I added some small dots and lines to the bodies and wings of my birds to add a little bit of detail. If your leaf is too dark for this to show up, that's okay. The final step is going to be to add to your background. So I added some little flowers, I added grass, and I added some clouds and a sunshine in my background. So if you have any extra leaves, you can use those leaves to create flowers in the background of your drawing. So as you can see, I took a small green leaf and I used it to make the stem of a flower. And then I used a bigger brownish orangish leaf and I used that to make the flower. So you don't have to do this, it's just an option. And now you're all done.
Okay guys, so you are all done. I hope you all enjoyed creating your nature artwork. I know it could be a little hard to glue those leaves onto there, but just do the best you can. I can't wait to see what you create and I hope you have fun. Bye!